Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing SDG number 5 in Canada. So what is life on land? Life on land aims to protect, restore, and promote the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. Life on land includes florist, flora, fauna, and other ecosystems play a crucial role in supporting life on Earth. SDG number 15's goal is essential for maintaining biodiversity, combating climate change, and ensuring sustainable land use for present and future generations. So here's my US versus Canada life on land. So the first image shows the share of land covered by forest, and in the United States it's 33.9% covered by forests, and Canada is at 38.7% shared of land covered by forests. And the second image is share of land area that is protected, and the United States is at 13.02% protected, and Canada is at 11.91% protected. And this map shows a red list index, which is the overall extinction risk for groups of species in each country. And an index between 0 and 1, a value of 1 indicates there is no current extinction risk, and a value of 0 would mean that all included species are extinct. And the United States is at a 0.83, and the Canada is a little better off at a 0.96. And here's my mind map on life on land. The first one is protect biodiversity and natural habitats, vegetation coverage of mountainous areas, end deforestation and restore degraded forests, and conserve and restore terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems. And here are my solutions. So by 2025, ensure the conservation, restoration, and sustainable use of terrestrial and inland freshwater ecosystems and their services. By 2025, promote the implementation of sustainable management of all types of forests, halt deforestation, restore degraded forests, and substantially increase afforestation and reforestation globally. By 2030, to ensure the conservation of mountains ecosystems, including their biodiversity, in order to enhance their capacity to provide benefits that are essential for sustainable development, and take urgent and significant action to reduce the degradation of natural habitats, halt the loss of biodiversity, and by 2025 protect and prevent the extinction of threatened species. Thank you.